Indian forces martyred a youth in the Jammu district. The youth was martyred by the Indian Border Security Force personnel during an operation in Arnia area of the district. The area was cordoned off immediately after the incident. Posters again appeal to the people of occupied Kashmir to observe August 5, Yom-e-Istihsal Kashmir, as a Black Day. On 5th August 2019, the Modi-led regime revoked Article 370 that granted special status to the internationally recognized disputed territory and imposed a brutal military and police siege. The appeal was made by almost all Kashmiri freedom organizations through posters. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah said the political situation in occupied Kashmir has become complex as there is complete lull on the much-awaited assembly elections in the region. Umar Abdullah, in a media interview in Srinagar, said BJP is scared of holding assembly polls in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Contrary to the claims of fading armed resistance in occupied Kashmir, New Delhi is deploying Central Reserve Police Force Commando Battalion for resolute action in the territory. Officials, while talking to the Indian media, claimed that these elite units are now receiving specialized training to combat militants in both urban and the rural areas in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Over 1.3 million girls and women went missing between 2019 and 2021 in India. Madhya Pradesh state reported the highest cases of nearly 2 lakhs, followed closely by another state, West Bengal. The data provided by the Indian Ministry of Home last week in the Rajya Sabha revealed that 10,61,648 women above 18 years and 2,51,430 girls went missing between 2019 and 2021 across India. An Indian Army man committed suicide in the Baramulla district on Monday. The Indian Army man of the Rashtriya Rifles committed suicide by shooting himself with his service rifle in his camp near Guru Nanak High School in the district. The reason behind the suicide was not known immediately. Traffic on Srinagar-Baramulla highway was suspended after a suspicious object was found in the Baramulla district. The object, suspected to be an IED, was found at Zangam flyover, Srinagar-Baramulla highway in Patan area of the district, the police said. Agitated over the Modi regime's move of granting scheduled tribal status to the Pahadis, Universal Gujjar and Bakarwal Welfare Association held a peaceful march in the Udhampur district. A large number of the tribal people, along with buffaloes, goats, horses and dogs, participated in the march. A large number of residents staged a protest against the new system of prepaid electricity bills in Jammu. The protesters raised slogans against the Power Development Corporation Jammu while holding placards in their hands and disrupted the traffic at Janipur main stop.